students, today we'll study the last type of inheritance, that is hybrid inheritance. It is very important and it is clear from the name that hybrid means to combine or merge two or more types of inheritance together. Then this is called hybrid inheritance. It is very important to use. Let's see how it will work. In the previous example, we have used hierarchical inheritance where student class was there and there was a class test and another class was there sports, where test and sports are representing the results differently. There were two derived classes, test and sports, but here we'll make another class result which will compute the total marks of subjects and supports and also show the information of the student, that means his name and roll number as well. So this is the structure of hybrid inheritance in this program. Just see that it is not connected over here, it is connected only through these pointers. Student class is inherited by test class and then result class is inheriting features of test class and sports class. Where student class is having name and roll number, it is having marks of subject 1, subject 2, sports is having score and result will display total of subject 1 plus subject 2 plus score. And various member functions will be used to get input and output of these data members. Okay, and all of these data members are declared as protected, but the last one can be declared in the private section because we'll create object of this result class in the end, because it contains data of student, test, sports and all the three classes above. So we'll create object of this result class as R. So let's understand this through a program. Just draw this figure before moving ahead on your notebooks so that you can understand it in a better way. Now let's start. First of all, we have created a class student and in protected section name and roll number are created, and input will take input of roll number and name, output will display their values, roll number and name respectively of a student. Then this class is closed. You can see over here. Then another class test is created which is inheriting student class in public mode, and it is having two data members, subject 1 and subject 2 in protected section. Get marks and put marks will get the input and output of these subjects. After that, this class is also closed. Now we are going to create third class, sports. You can see that this is an individual class. It is not inheriting student class. Okay, so it is having only one data member, score, and get score will get score from the main function and display will display the result of that score. Thereafter, we have created the last class, that is result, which is inheriting test class and sports class, as I have described you in the diagram earlier. So it will inherit test class and sport class, and it is having its own member total, and display result will compute result of sub 1 plus sub 2 plus score, and then total marks will be computed. Okay, therefore you can say that this result class contains data of roll number, name, subject 1, subject 2, score and total. So this is the complete data of this result class because it is inheriting test and sports class, where test is inheriting student class. And member functions are, these are data members, and member functions are input, output, get marks, put marks, and then in the end display result. these 5 are the member functions of this class. Now we'll create object of result class R as R, and then we'll call R dot input. So this input function will be called of student class, and it will take input of name and roll number, as we can see above. When this function will be called, the control will go up and take input of roll number and name. Okay. Then R dot get marks, it will take input of subject 1 and subject 2 over here. Thereafter R dot get score with value 30 will be called, this function, and the control will go up again, and this get score function will be called, and it will assign 30 value over here, then 30 will be assigned to score. Then output section will be called R dot output. So it will display roll number and name of the student. Put marks will display the marks, this thing, and after that R dot display will be called this one. Control will go over here, R dot display. Control will go over here, let me see, it will display score, and in the end R dot display result will be called. That means this function, which will add up the complete result and display the total, and then program will be over. I have explained you each and everything in detail. Now let's execute the program and see the output screen. You can see here it is asking for roll number. Let's give the roll number as 1002, name as Robin, marks 40 and 60, and now you can see that total marks are displayed with complete student detail. Roll number is 111002, name Robin, subject 40 and 60. These are subject marks, score is 30, and then total marks are 130. Fine. So this is how hybrid inheritance can compile result of all the classes in a single class, which is the last class and known as derived class. So this is all about hybrid inheritance. If you have any doubt or any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.